Tango Bafethu, welcome to True News Party. Please like, share, subscribe so that the channel can grow. No Mercy said Hugo Bruce. He said no mercy. They have to win against Cameroon Bafethu. And he was being asked Bafethu, ukuthi, is he paying revenge to Cameroon? Then he said no. I'm not paying a revenge, but it's a game. I have to win because now I'm a Bafana coach. I think he responded very well, although we don't know if he is doing that, he's paying revenge or he's not paying revenge. But at the end of the day, we need results to Bafana. And the other thing is, Tebogo Mokoena, he said they went to the drawing board and then they spoke about the games that they had against Egypt and Zimbabwe. They didn't perform well, but they lost to Egypt. They won against Zimbabwe. So he said now they went to the drawing board. They are prepared to face Cameroon. The question is, are they going to win against Cameroon? On my side, if they are surely uh, telling the truth that they went to drawing board and then they fixed their mistake, they can win against Cameroon, because Cameroon now is not the same like the old Cameroon that we know when there was Abu Bakr, I mean, yeah. So Abu Bakr and Etolo and the others, they were playing there. I think that's where Hugo Bruce was the coach there. But even the young boys who are there now, we mustn't underestimate them. We must be prepared and win this match. It doesn't matter how we win it, but the only thing that we need is a win. We need the brave players who are going to face. I wish on games like this, sometimes you can just uh, put Umbule on the bench, afake umuntu ofana noMfukeni Bafethu, who's gonna be controlling the game and driving those players until they get tired. Then he can put Usipho Mbule on the second half, because Usipho Mbule is not so quick.